Welcome back to our channel, Dintalks. Today, we've come up with another interesting video, that is, top dog gears on Amazon. The link for the products is mentioned in the description box. Please check them out. Please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Also, press the bell icon for future updates. Number 1. PETGEAR No Zip Stroller. No zip. Push button entry which quickly lock and unlock doors without fumbling with difficult zippers. Dual entry. Your pet can be loaded from front or rear. Doesn't have to turn around to exit the stroller. A huge benefit for older or injured pets. Multi-position handle lets you adjust the height to your comfort. Zippered top mesh window and viewing area. Spacious, protective pet compartment. Great for larger or multiple pets. Folds flat in seconds for easy transportation or storage. If you plan on jogging with your pet, taking your pet on long walks, or locations with rough terrain, the type of wheels on the stroller is a key factor to consider. The next one is full-length ramp. Number 2. Full-length ramp. Freestanding ramps do not need to be attached to a vehicle and are an excellent choice for large dogs as they can support extra weight without excess wobbling or bending. Ramps provide extra safety when loading and unloading your pet. The high contrast markings also aid in guiding your pet up and down the ramp. The ramp features rubberized bottom grippers for secure placement, and raised edges help prevent slipping off the side. It can easily be folded for compact storage and has attached handle for polarity. Coming up is Pet Playpen. Number 3. Pet Playpen. Zippered top can easily be removed for indoor use and closed for outdoor to provide shade. Close the door to keep your pet safe. Play inside, sleep, or eat as well. The quality is great, very easy to take down and relocate, plus easy to clean. Liquid-resistant nylon minimizes accidents. Very easy to install, very sturdy, and beautiful. The portable pet playpen comes along with a convenient carry case and a collapsible 16-ounce food bowl, ideal for travel. The next in the list is Pordlie Dog Harness. Number 4. Pordlie Dog Harness. This easy walk harness has fast, loosening, adjustable buckle strip on both sides. It can be adjusted to your suitable length anytime you want, then attach the leash on the 2 stainless D-ring. Easy walker door harness done. This front clip dog harness is specially made with premium high-quality knit material with breathable sponge padded sandwich inside to be ultra soft around your pet. This front clip harness is low enough and supports the chest instead of the throat to eliminate choking. The last one is vest harness with leash. Number 5. Vest harness with leash. The dog harness is made of durable air mesh that is breathable, lightweight, comfortable, and quick drying. Convenient step-in design with only 3 steps to put on or take off easily. Double D-ring, strong buckle with safety lock ensures no accidental detachment. Machine wash, cold, gentle cycle, no bleach, and don't tumble dry. No more struggling with putting harness and leash over your pet's head. It didn't dig into the neck area at all. The leash is durable, soft, and comfy to hold. We've collected the top dog gears to help you pick the right one. The link for the products is mentioned in the description box. Please check them out. If you loved this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Also, press the bell icon for future updates.